Consider steady, viscous, fully developed flow of a fluid through a circular pipe of internal diameter capital D. We know that the velocity profile forms a paraboloid about the pipe center line given by V is equal to minus C into small r square minus capital D square by 4 meter per second, where C is a constant. The rate of kinetic energy in joule per second at the control surface AB as shown in the figure is proportional to d power n. The value of n is dash. Okay, so basically we need to calculate the rate of kinetic energy. Let's proceed to the solution. First, let us write down the given expression for V, which is nothing but minus C into small r square minus capital D square by 4 meter per second. By writing d by 2 as r, we will write this or convert this as minus C into small r square minus capital R square. Taking out minus as common from this expression and further taking capital R square as common, we are left with V is equal to C capital R square into 1 minus R square by capital R square. Now we can write that the rate of kinetic energy is nothing but half integral 0 to R rho V cube dA. We have V is equal to C capital R square into 1 minus R square by R square. Substituting that in place of V in this expression of rate of kinetic energy, we get rho into integral 0 to R C cube R power 6 into 1 minus small r square by capital R square whole cube 2 pi r dr, where the elemental area of the pipe is taken as 2 pi r, which is the circumference, multiplied by dr, which is the elemental thickness of the pipe. So since the density is constant, it is removed out, and also it is given that C is constant, so that also will be removed out of the integral. And also by taking out 2 pi and r power 6 also as a constant of the integral, since we are integrating with respect to small r, we are left with rho C cube R power 6 2 pi integral 0 to R, and this bracketed term is nothing but 1 minus R square by capital R square whole cube. Rewriting that will give us this last expression, and upon further simplification it is given like this. And now upon substituting the limits 0 and R, we are left with this expression. Now let us try to rewrite the last expression we obtained. So this is the last expression, and upon further simplification we are left with rho C cube 2 pi by 8 into R power 8. Now let us try to write down R as d by 2. So that will give us rho C cube 2 pi by 8 into 2 power 8 into d power 8. So it is given that the rate of kinetic energy is proportional to d power 8. So we can write the rate of kinetic energy is nothing but some function multiplied by d power 8. When we compare this with the given expression, it is nothing but n turns out to be 8. So the answer range is also